Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So the exams are quite near. We are approaching towards the exams, be it GATE exam and the CSIR NET exam. The official dates are not yet announced, but most probably they are going to be held on the date which CSIR has promised. So keeping all those things in mind, we at Unacademy, we have planned to take some mock test and we are going to organize some free and some paid mock test for you guys. Okay, so what are these mock tests about? How you can give them? How you can take out the best out of these mock tests, and how you can how you can reach out to these mock test pages and how to apply for it. Everything I'm going to talk about in this particular video in detail. All right, so make sure that you watch this video till end. Also, if you are new to this channel and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do consider subscribing it. Now without wasting any time, let's continue with our video. Now I'll just quickly show you. So how you will reach out to the page. I'll give you link to all the mock tests, like the link to reach out to all the mock test is there in the description of this video. You can directly click on this link and you will be taken to this page. Okay, this is a page where you will get like chemical sciences test on Unacademy for the month of December 2021. 4 tests you can see on the screen. So yeah, so the first one is full length mock test, and this is for plus learners. Okay, so this is not for the free learners. It is for the plus learners, and this is on 4th of December and on 18th of December. Now this is for those who have taken Unacademy Plus subscription. In case you also want to take Unacademy Plus subscription, I'll let you know at the end of this video that what you can do. Okay, so next let's talk about that the next free mock test. So full length mock test for CSIR NET, and that too for free, means that is not for the plus student. Plus students can also do, they can also appear into it, but non-plus are also eligible for this. Okay, so anyone who is interested can give this particular mock test. So link to reach out is here on the page itself. You can just click on this and you will be taken to the Unacademy page of the mock test. And here is the okay, so this test is on 11th of December. Okay, so that's scheduled on 11th of December. It will start when 11th of December will come. And next is your GATE mock test, which is scheduled on 16th of December. So we have two mock tests which are free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for these tests. Okay, it just need that you have an Unacademy profile. You are just enrolled into Unacademy app. Okay, I'll show you that how this interface is going to look. So you just click on this link and you will be taken to the Unacademy website. If you are on mobile, you will be taken to the Unacademy app. Now here you can see that it says weekly free mock test for CSIR UGC NET Chemical Sciences 2021. If you come down to this page, you will see that there are a lot of mock tests which are already done, but the one which you have to look upon is on December 11th, and that's the mock test number 10, and that is scheduled on December 11th. If you click on this particular mock test, okay, so like it is not going to respond because it's not yet started. Okay, and it is at the 7 p.m. So in evening 7 p.m. it is going to start. 3 hours will be the time for that. Okay, what you have to do, first thing you have to do is you have to enroll into this. Okay, if you have not enrolled yet, you just have to click on this, so that whenever this mock test is going to start, you will get a notification, or before the mock test starts you get notification, and so that you don't miss that out. Okay, similarly in the same way, if you go to this GATE mock test, you click on this link and you will be taken to the page on which the mock test is given for the GATE exam. Okay, so this is mock test 1 chemistry, you can see over here, and this is this is going to live on December 16, 2021, and the time for this mock test is 3 p.m. Okay, so that is for this. It is going to start on 16 December, and 180 minute is going to be the time of this. This 0 question 0 marks will get updated once you give this mock test. Okay, so how much question you have done, that is going to get updated here. Instructions are here, you can just okay, these things will be filled out in the meantime. Okay, so this is year-long course, means everything for the GATE is basically going to be asked in this. Okay, coming back to this, so here you will just find one test. Here you don't have to enroll and other things, but for CSIR NET you have to enroll. Okay, now what about these other tests which are shown over here? Now these are like past tests. Okay, the tests which have been conducted on 10th of April, 24th of April. So these are all the different tests. 25th of September was also the date when CSIR conducted a full length mock test, and that too it was free. So if you are interested and want to practice some test, so I just said that this is the test which you can give live. but in case if you want to practice the other test, those are also open for you. So you can click any, like you can click on any of these. Let's say I'm clicking on mock test number 9, and once I click, I'll be taken to the page where I can give my mock test. Okay, so that test has been conducted already, and I missed that test, that's why it is written it is missed. Okay, so this test already held on September 25th at 7 p.m. 75 questions are there total, and this is a 200 marks test. So this was the status of this whole test. Instructions, if you click, all these instructions are there. That part A carries 15 questions from general aptitude. So from part A, like every question will give you 2 marks. So all the basic instructions are there, you don't have to read that. Fine. Syllabus, here it says coordination chemistry, but fine, you can just go and you can take this test if you are interested. Okay, if you want to take this test, you can just click on this take test, and then like all these things, all the instruction will come once again, and then you can click here to begin test. Okay, now this test has started. This is part A question. Now you can see that the timer has just begun. So the time is of 3 hours. The timer has started already. This is the question. These are the 4 options. You can click any of the option, whatever option you feel like, solve it, and then click the option, save and next, just like the way you give your online exam. It is just in the same way. Okay, the questions which you have answered will be shown in like green color, the one which you have not marked will be shown in yellow color, and the question which will be unanswered are going to be in the white color. So that is the color code and other things. So it will give you a complete feel of your test. Okay, just like you give a CSIR NET exam, you can see the total 120 questions are there. You can reach out to the question. So this is from part C, 120th question. Now once you give the test, once you have given the test, you can just end the test here. Okay, so once, let's say I'm finished with my test, obviously it's not the correct way, but yeah, once you have given the test, you can just click here for an end the test. So it will show you that okay, you have answered one question, you have marked 0 for review, and you have 74 questions which you have unanswered. Let's say I want to just end the test, I'm done with it, so I'll click there that okay, I have ended it. So this is my attempt number 1. Okay, that's my first attempt. So in my first attempt, what I did, so that is going to show me the total marks which I scored, how much I did as the correct. So total marks which I scored is minus 0.5. So the answer which I marked was incorrect, so it is minus 0.5. Correct are 0. Okay, incorrect are this much, unanswered are this much. So this is how I got my overall, like whatever I did in the test, this is my result. Okay, so you can quickly get the result after you give this mock test. Again, I'm just telling you for the purpose of understanding, so that's why I did it. You can take your time and give every question whatever you feel like. Okay, then you can go for view solutions, but go on view solutions only when you have finished the test. Okay, don't just jump into view solutions. Okay, because that's not a correct practice. So once you go for view solutions, you will be given with the solution of every question. Okay, so let's say the first question which I marked was incorrect. The correct answer is this, and to view the solution, if I click on view, this is going to show me the solution of that question. So see how detailed it is, and this is going to give me the complete like feeling of the online exam. Okay, so this is how a mock test is going to be. So in a mock test, the benefits are like you can give the mock test. Okay, one more thing, that this was just a past mock test, so it just gave me the basic, my whatever questions I did, that only it gave me. Once you give the test live, okay, so in that time, like the ranking will also be provided based upon the number of students who are giving this test. Like, so the more number of students will be there live, your rank will depend upon that, and that will give you a good confidence that how much you have performed well. So if let's say 1000 people are giving a live test, so your rank will be based upon those 1000 people. Okay, so make sure that you give this test live. In that case, you will be able to check out your performance compared to the others who are giving at that time itself. So giving live is more it's more recommended that you should give this test live. All right, so once you give the test, you get your result, you get how much you have done correctly, how much you have done incorrectly. The questions which you have done incorrectly, you have to you also get the solutions of that. So mark or just write down the solutions of that in your notebook, so that if similar questions is asked in exam, or let's say there is some question in the mock test which is quite difficult, you have never seen that question or you have never solved that question, in that case what you have to do is you again note down that question and its solution. It will be helpful for you in the upcoming time. Okay, Also it tells you that how much time you are taking for every question, so that will help you to track your speed, how fast or how slow you are going for the exam. It also tells you that what is the average time by others. Okay, so what others have taken per question. Okay, attempt accuracy, what's the attempt accuracy for the other. So all the analysis is there in the solution, and all the analysis is there after, like post mock test analysis is there. So it's a good, it's a good interface which is going to provide you exam like experience, and it is also like on the other hand, it's also like very useful if you want to self analyze how much you have prepared. So all these things in combined makes this mock test very important. So till now we have just planned for four live tests, 2 paid and 2 free, and also, like as I told you, that those which are already been done, you can give those tests as well. The only difference is that you won't be getting ranks. Okay, you won't be getting live rank, so that is not going to get. Other things you are going to get in that case. Okay, so yeah, so you can participate, you can give this test. One more thing, that if you guys are now interested to take the paid subscription, or if you want to apply for the paid mock test also, so for that you need to take the subscription. Okay, now let's say that I am interested to join Unacademy Plus. Okay, I want to take the Plus subscription. Now in that case, again on the same page, which the link is there in the description of this video, you can just go to the first one which says that Plus, and the tests are on 4th and 18th of December. You can click on this link, and then you will be taken to the page where this type of interface you will see. Now here, since you have not yet taken the Unacademy Plus subscription, so it will ask you to get subscription. Okay, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see again there are also a lot of tests which have been already done, and the upcoming ones are on 4th December and on 18th of December. So these are the tests which we have in the upcoming time. The previous one which you have been done, you cannot give them unless and until you take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, so these tests are logged, you cannot give them until and unless you have the subscription. So let's say I want to take the subscription. I will go to get subscription here, and then I will be asked on the next page that what type of subscription do I want. So there are two types of subscription on the Unacademy platform majorly. One is Plus subscription, that is basic plan, and the other one is Iconic subscription. The Iconic subscription makes sure that you get some additional benefits over here. What are those additional benefits? Like you get a mentor over here who is going to help you throughout your preparation. You get interview preparation tips as well. You get courses and their PDFs, means you get study material in the form of PDF, and the next thing which you get is live doubt solving sessions. So there are a lot of other benefits of the Iconic subscription. If you are interested for that, you can go, but the basic one is Plus subscription, you can go for that as well. Remember that the Iconic subscriptions are costlier as compared to Plus, so you have to choose that which one you want. Let's say I am interested to go for Iconic. So I'll click on the Iconic subscription. Here are the charges: 6 month, 12 month, and 24 month. At least these three are the time which I can take the Iconic subscription. I cannot take Iconic subscription for less than 6 months. But if I go for the Plus subscription, there I have a choice to, and if I click here view all plans, here I can even choose 3-month subscription. Okay, so if let's say I'm someone who just want to go for mock test and just want to join Unacademy for next 3 months, I'll click this 3-month subscription. The total price over here, you can see it's 6,250 rupees, charging 2,083 rupees per month. So that's the price of the total, that's the total price. Now if I use a referral code, the prices are going to decrease. The referral code is N_Huda. Okay, N_HUDA. Now if I apply this referral code, all my prices are going to get slashed down, and now I have to pay 5,625 rupees for 3-month subscription. So now I can just simply go proceed to pay, and there I just have to fill all the basic details. Okay, I have to just log in using my ID and all, and then I can just make the payment as normal payment is done. That's how you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. As I told you, this is only for those who are interested. If you are also interested and want to join Unacademy, you can do that. You can even take 6 month, 12 month, 24 month subscription depending upon your need, depending upon your choice. All right, so this was all about the mock test, the coming mock test on the Unacademy platform. I hope that you guys understood, and I hope you guys will get benefit from it, and you will take the best advantage out of this. All right, So that's it from my side for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.